In this video, I'll show you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva first. Open your Canva design and go to the page where you want to add the email link. Click on the text box that contains the email address or create a new text box if you haven't added it yet. Next, highlight the email address text. Once it's selected, look at the top toolbar and click on the link icon. This will open a field where you can add your hyperlink. Now, instead of just typing the email, enter it in this format: mailto your email at example.com. This tells Canva to create a clickable email link that opens the user's email app when clicked. After entering the link, click Apply. Your text is now hyperlinked. You can test it by using the preview mode to make sure it opens the correct email client. This feature works best when you export your design as a PDF or share it digitally, since links are clickable in those formats. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable email link in Canva. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.